Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to look at if you can still make £1,000 a month from match betting in 2022. The reason I wanted to talk about that is there's a lot of questions that we get on the live streams that I do here on the channel, and many members in the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, which we're going to go through their questions in a second. But many members on there are constantly asking, how much can I expect to make each month? How many hours do I need to put into it? What should I be doing? So they're the main things we're going to look at. How much can you expect to make? How many hours do you need to put into match betting each week? And what kind of things should you be doing? Now, to anyone that's watching this that may be new to the channel, first of all, of course, please do consider subscribing. But if you have yet to hear how much I've made from match betting in the past, then we'll get onto Odds Monkey here on the laptop. And you can see from the profit tracker, I've made actually nearly £30,000. And that was from starting match betting in December 2018. So I've been doing it a few years. And what I wanted to really show to anyone that may not have started match betting yet is how much money you could expect to make from the sign-up offers. So on Odds Monkey here, and of course if you have not yet got Odds Monkey, do be sure to use the promo code ProfitBoss50 via the link down in the description. It'll just get you 50% off your first month. But if we go onto offers here, and then new account offers, bookmakers, this will just give you a good sort of insight into how many welcome offers there are. So with Odds Monkey here, you get a load of tutorials to start you off. Of course, there is the Profit Boss Beginners course that I have on the Ko-fi page. I'll leave the link in the description for that as well. But you can see here, so bet X, get X offers. So with the Ladbrokes one, bet £5 to get £20 in free bets. And then you can see all these different offers here. So, I won't read them all out because then it'd take quite a while. But you got all those bets and gets there. Then here there's all the risk-free bets. Then there's the rollover bonuses. Not so many of those. Not so many multi-steps. And then a couple of enhanced odds. And then some accumulator offers there, which are really good to just do as a welcome offer. Now, if we scroll over offers again at the top, you can see new account offers, casino and games is the second one down. So if I go ahead and load that up, you can then see here, so these are all the risk-free offers you can do, then all the low risk, quite a few low risk actually. And I wanted to show you that for anyone that's not yet started, because the first question that gets asked quite a bit on the live streams is how much can you expect to make from welcome offers? And what I normally say to that is between £600 to £1,000 of profit just from the sign-up offers. Now, please don't think that the sign-up offers are going to be all the money that you'll be able to make. That's not the end. That's just the beginning. What you then want to do is get into more of the advanced strategies, which I want to talk to you about in a second. But before I talk about those advanced strategies, let's check out this anonymous member's post here and work our way through it. So it says, he or she actually simply says, "Hi all, I've recently started match betting, nearly worked my way through the sign-up offers, and I'd like to know," so 3 different things here. So firstly then, realistically, can I make £500 a month doing match betting? So to get into that question first then, yeah, I think so. Realistically, yes, if that's what your aim is, £500 a month match betting, absolutely possible. What you're then going to want to do, so the second part of the question here out of the 3 is, what level of effort / time would this amount take? And then thirdly there, where should my efforts be prioritized? So the amount of effort to make £500 a month, if this is just your own set of accounts, is literally just like 2 to 4 hours a week. That's it. You don't need to put a lot of time in to make £500 a month from match betting. And your efforts should be prioritized in using your Bet365 account for doing the 2-up strategy when the football's on and you're getting on those 2-up bets. And before anyone says, well, they're not guaranteed profit, as long as you're following the strategy the correct way, which of course the link will be in the description for the free course that I have on 2-ups. It's a 10 video lesson course. It's pay what you want actually. So if you want to pay me something for it, I don't mind if you do. And thank you so much if you do decide to do that. But yeah, that's what you want to focus on. 2-ups when you can do them. And then also on a Saturday doing the extra places strategy course on the Ko-fi page. and making sure that you get on the horse racing extra places at good value so that you can make good profits with that. And then what you're going to also do, because you sign up to all those casino sites that we looked through on the Casino Hub part of OddsMonkey there, you're going to get emails from those casino sites saying, hey, here's another reload offer. My very favorite one is actually where you get an email and it says deposit £10, wager it once, and then they'll give you £10 for free. So you can literally just deposit a tenner into that site, do 10 £1 spins, and if you don't win anything on those 10 spins with your own money, they literally just give you a tenner, and then you just withdraw that tenner back. So it's a completely risk-free to make profits there. The only thing really with casino you have to remember is if you won't have the ability to have that self-control where if you do 10 spins, you don't win anything, you have to then tell yourself not to carry on. You just need to then withdraw that tenner and don't think, oh, I'll just carry on to see if I can hit a win. No, you always want to make sure you're using the casino site's money. Otherwise, it won't work and you'll just end up losing money doing casino offers. Now, what we came here for this video is it still possible to make £1,000 a month from match betting, as I did? So that's what I averaged over my lifetime of doing match betting. And yeah, I think absolutely you can make £1,000 a month on average, but ultimately nowadays you are going to need to be multi-accounting. So on a single set of accounts, I would really be aiming for around £500 a month, like realistically. If your goal is to do that £1,000 a month, ultimately it would be ideal if you had around 4 sets of accounts. And I am looking to do a multi-accounting course to help people get started with that. But yeah, at least 2 or 3 sets to try and go for £1,000 a month on one single set of accounts. I personally think that's pushing it a bit too much. If you have any thoughts on this, please do comment below. And, if you're wondering what other people may be saying about this, check out the comments section. If you've had any value or you've enjoyed this video, please do press the like button below. I do appreciate it. And of course, share this video around with your friends if you like. There is a share button that gets neglected often here on YouTube, but I'll point that out now. Below, there's a share button. Go ahead, just share this video to your Facebook page. Why not? It makes sense. Share the Profit Boss love around. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching there, and I'll see you in the next one.